Read the card. What does it say? Open it up.
Let's do Dada.
Open it up.
Show Dada his present. Here you go. Give this to Dada.
Is that for me?
Give it to Dada.
The tape? Open it up. Go ahead. Go ahead. Open it up.
Does he know what it is?
What is this?
You don't know what that is?
Oh, I got my own now. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, then we have to show Dada how